Hi there, Melody from WTI. And yes, the craze is on for the puzzle boards, but there's a reason for that. Let me show you why. This 1,000 piece wooden jigsaw puzzle board from Beyond Innoventions is amazing. It all starts with a Lazy Susan that you attach on the bottom. It has 4 drawers, and so that's going to make sure that you don't lose any little pieces if you want to work on one section of a part and then another. I love that it comes with a plastic cover, so in between times of working on the puzzle, you can just cover it up, and then that's going to ensure it's not going to get dirty and you're not going to lose any pieces. Ready to take a little break? No problem. This fits under most couches, so it's totally out of the way. And if you're absolutely in love with your puzzle, you don't have to take it apart. You can use the little sticky pads to keep it together. This puzzle board is for 1,000 pieces. However, it can also accommodate other puzzle sizes. We have a 200 piece and a 100 piece, and there is still so much room to move things around. And you're not limited to just working on a puzzle on the tabletop. With this puzzle board, you can take it to the floor. You can use it while you're sitting around an ottoman. And then there's just putting it on the couch so you can sit down and relax while you're putting your special puzzle together. So if you've been wondering if you should get yourself one of these puzzle boards, absolutely. You are going to be totally in love with this. The biggest problem you're going to have is trying to figure out which puzzle to do next. That's my point of view.